Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the Supreme Emilio Pucci Zippo lighter. That's the pink color. Retail price on this is $58. And then the second piece is Supreme Emilio Pucci 6-panel hat. That's the pink color. Retail price on the second one is $68. So the total damage is $126 plus $10 shipping fee, and sale tax is $11.03. So the total is $147.03. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys what's it look like. I don't see any box logo stickers, so maybe it's in the back. So this time around, this bag is kind of like foggy, not too clear. And this is the sticker right here. So there's a hole punch right here on this side, front and then the back. And then, oh, right here. Normally it's on the corner, but wow. So yeah, this one right here on the stitching on the embroidery is kind of hard to see. Then you got the Emilio signature right here, and then Supreme right here. Got the Emilio here again, Supreme, Emilio, Supreme. And then the hole has a pink stitching around the circle. And here's a Velcro strap. Yeah, this material is pretty thin. And you got the Emilio and Supreme again. And right here is like a rough cotton. And you got the Emilio Pucci right here with the red Supreme box logo tag. So this black stripes wrapping all the way around the cap. And then there's a tag right here. It says made in USA. Supreme. Go ahead and turn on some light and see. I don't think any of this are reflected. Alright, so this is what's it look like with the lights on. And I don't see any reflective. Let's go and then check out this one right here. Let me go get a scissor to cut this. Alright, so here is the Supreme red box logo stickers. And this is the Zippo lighter right here. And this is made in USA. Oh, I cannot open it, my bad. Because of the sticker. Yeah. Lucky I didn't open it. I was gonna rip this sticker right there, the orange sticker. So anyway, you guys know what the Zippo look like on the inside. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.